Experiencing a black screen or no audio in your Mahindra Thar's infotainment system? You're not alone. These issues often stem from software glitches, power interruptions, or overheating. Start with the basics. Perform a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds, or a hard reset by disconnecting the battery for 5 to 10 minutes. Check all connections like USB and HDMI cables. Ensure your system software is up to date via the settings menu or Mahindra's app. For black screens, this simple reset resolves 70% of issues. If audio is the problem, check Bluetooth pairings and speaker wires. The M-Connect system runs on Android, so glitches are to be expected from time to time. If basic resets don't resolve the issues, a factory reset may be necessary to restore the system to its original settings. Some users access a hidden menu by tapping the screen's corner 5 times while the system is off. Mahindra provides over-the-air updates that fix common issues like thermal throttling causing black screens and Bluetooth interference affecting audio. Future infotainment systems will integrate AI for automatic resets and predictive diagnostics, reducing failures. Electric vehicle integration with models like the Thar EV will improve software robustness.